All right, Talia, let's check out some of your first run here at Stratton GS. I think this is your second race, I believe, so good job there. We'll watch it in regular motion and then slow it down. All right, let's check it out now a little slower. Certainly we would like to ideally be a little tighter to the gates. Obviously, if we're tighter to the gates, we would have, traveling less distance. You can see here, you had a lot of your turn below the gate. Anytime it's sort of steep or offset pitches, we got to make sure we're turning above the gate, bringing shape back to the pole, so we're finishing the turn tight to the pole with direction done. You're going to come in here and put most of your turn. You can see it's down below the gate, so we're running a very low line, and unfortunately low and late continues to be low and late and get later per se. So here coming in again, not giving yourself enough room because you were late above, so it gets hard. So a lot of your turns down here. So just need to try to make sure we're turning above the gate all the way down any pitches. The flat is where we can turn more around the gate. Ideally we'd like to see a little more angles, because we're looking for upper and lower body separation, and you can see you're kind of this way, leaning in, so your shoulders aren't level. Really hard to pressure the outside ski. We're looking for more upper and lower body separation. So we need to kind of raise that inside hand. We need to take this outside hand and really drive it out towards and over the tip of the downhill ski, trying to get some, to be level. You tend to move the hand forward to pole plant. Let's keep it out there well before that, and then the pole plant can just be a little, really a tap or touch. Same idea there, you can see. Raise it inside hand. So what you do, when you come in through here, you pole plant and then immediately drop the hand. So we don't want to pole plant and drop the hand. We want to pole plant with the hand out in front and then pull it out of the snow and keep that hand out in front. So we're not going to put the pole on the ground, ski by it, leaving the pole on the ground so their hand falls back and behind us. So, three things I think about good skiing is that pole plant we just talked about, angles we've been talking about, and motion. And motion, we want to think about it as in the transition, moving definitive weight transfer to the new outside ski, which would be currently still your uphill ski, but the new outside one, and then move along that ski. So through the transition, make sure we're moving forward and less vertical. Your motion is more up, unweighting, and we're looking to be moving more forward and then move inside the turn. So let's think about those three things. A pole plant without dropping the hand. Trying to really reach out with the downhill hand towards the tip of the downhill ski, raising the inside hand, trying to get more level, and better motion moving forward along the skis in the transition. But good job here. Let's work on those, and that should help.